One thing I learned is that, you deal with people as people first. You deal with a man as a man, a woman as a woman, regardless what their persona is and what their titles are. It's like code of humans, you know what I'm saying? You honest, you be respectful with everybody. You give what you want from people. And when people go against what your standards are, you're not a hypocrite to address it. Right. But if you disrespectful or you untruthful and people lie to you or disrespect you, you be a hypocrite to address it or to push back and say, homie, don't treat me like that because you're not giving that. So I think it's just about dealing with people on a fundamental human level. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna respect you as a man or a woman off rip. I'm gonna give you 100% respect.
Until I don't.
Yeah, until I don't. And I'm gonna give you 100% disrespect.
Right.
I'm not gonna do the middle, halfway, subliminal, little bit. Nah, gotcha. It's one or the other. People recognize that when you move with respect and you move with, integrity, and I think that meets you on your level, in my experience.